No, but it's cool.
What are you doing?
I am looking for morels.
Oh, can I do that?
Well, yeah, I told you you can.
No.
What?
I want to do the video.
Oh, okay. You didn't shoot that towards them, did you? Don't do that.
No, I didn't.
This is upside down. Would you even mad if I dropped your phone?
Please don't drop my phone. Watch out, there's vines back here with stickers on them.
I know, I'm just standing right here. Today we are looking for morels. There's that tiny mushroom, that big.
Well, they get pretty big, but right now is the first day of morel season. So,
And we're back here on the train tracks, as you can see, and that's Thomas.
you may not see any today.
And you can see lots of hoof prints on the ground
Deer.
from deers. And then that's Snickers. She's not ours. Not neither is Thomas. And you can see that we're on the railroads and my brother's throwing rocks. And my mom's looking for those. And my dad's just standing there.
No, don't throw a rock.
My dad's just standing there with his gun. But my mom's looking for them right now. And if you look very close, you can kind of see the road. But we are way far out to see really anything. They're throwing rocks up in the hill.
Lily, if you have nothing to videotape, you can pause it and then start it again.
Okay. You can see Snickers right there in the trees. Yeah, he's just hanging out with us. He's been stuck in our garage for like 5 weeks.
5 days.
5 days.
Are you recording again?
Yeah. He's been in our garage in like 5 days. So, without no food or water. And you can imagine what he has done in there. So, and my dad and my brother are throwing rocks. And my mom's way far out there. Throw it at my leg.
Got it. Dad, try to make it inside the bag. Oh, got it.
What are you guys throwing it at?
A bag.
A bag. Did you find any?
Still not yet.
Daddy, stop throwing rocks at Mama. Can't even see my mom anymore because how far away she is. And we were surfing on rocks.
And I got hurt.
You can see that these railroad tracks aren't very steady. See, this is how you surf on rocks. Whenever my brother did it, he hurt his leg. And mine still hurts because I sprained it. It still hurts. So last time we went to the... Can you hold my rock?
Put it down.
No, I want to take it with me. Because Mom's not back yet. She put stuff in the basket. Mama, hurry! Well, I heard the first time that we had been back here, I'm in 3rd grade, and we were back here whenever I was in 2nd. No, whenever I was in kindergarten. And that was with my dad's brother, Uncle Justin.
Yes.
But we haven't seen him for a very long time. So, we haven't seen him in a very long time. So we have been, hey Dad, where is Uncle Justin?
Go home sick.
Does he live there or work there? Our uncle lives at Oklahoma City. Do you know where he works?
No, I do not.
Does he even talk to you anymore?
Do you guys never get along? Do you? If I see a train coming down right now, I will make all of them get flat tires. What do they have? Then I'll give them a flat wheel.
But still.
Train, come out and run over my dad's sister.
That's not nice.
I'm just kidding. Let's go.
My guide left me, so give me a minute.
Who left you? Where is he?
He went back to the house.
Oh. How about Thomas?
How far?
I can go help you.
Mama, go help your wife. Mitchell, don't go in there. Daddy, go help your wife.
Yeah.
What? Thomas tried peeing on Mama.
Maybe he touches a tree. Right here. Maybe he touches a tree.
This is how you rock surf. Okay, right? This is how you rock surf. Okay, ready? So this is how you rock.
Dad.
Hey, quit throwing rocks at me, boy.
That's how you rock surf. See, you just see all those rocks moving?
Seriously, quit throwing rocks at me.
I'm not
You're
trying
gonna
to
bust
throw
your
rocks.
butt.
I'm not trying to throw rocks at you. I'm trying to throw rocks at Mama like you.
But if you look, I found the rock. I found the rock. That's I can't figure out how to watch this camera. Very good. But if you look, you can.
You get hit by a rock?
Okay, do not throw rocks at your mom.
What'd you find?
Like that. I'm going to throw it over your head.
No, you're not.
Look at this cool rock I found.
Mama, I sprained my ankle.
Okay, here, give me this.
What?
Here, are you recording?
Yeah.
I told you to pause. Here, take that.
Why?
Ooh, who's coming in through the trees?
See that bird?
Who's coming in through the trees?
Hey,
Ah! It's a wild Snickers! He was my guide through those trees, and then he just disappeared. And I had Thomas, and Thomas just tried to pee on me and then ran off. Ain't that right, Thomas?
Snickers, you're back! What's that saying? No, Thomas. Come on.
I'm gonna put it on the concrete.
On here.
Okay.
On here. Will the homeless come by and get it?
Nobody's gonna come by and get it.
No. That's concrete. No.
Mitchell, leave Thomas alone. He's not gonna do anything. I don't know. Kind of a nice walk, even though there's no morels out right now. Probably have a few ticks, too.
One down.
Mama, can I take?
Yeah, I am. Mitchell, he'll follow when he feels like it.
Please?
Stop that. Oh, what in the world? Look,
Yeah.
raccoon feet.
Let's wait for Snickers. Okay, he's catching up to Mama.
Those little tiny feet back there. Careful, there's glass everywhere.
I'm up here.
Oh no! We're going under the bridge!
Mommy, think there's any homeless in here?
Well, I asked you if you had your knife. I don't think we have anything to worry about.
Wait, Dad, I got a good idea. The homeless people, you know what
Hey, look, there's a tunnel underneath the railroad tracks.
Can I go down there?
No, you cannot.
Oh, is there a-
No, somebody might be living in there.
They were walking on top of their home.
Don't touch any bottles that are along here.
Oh, God, it's
They could blow up.
Look at the track. There's lots of bottles.
Yeah, just try not to step on the bottles because you never know what's inside them, and it could be pee, but it could be other things that blow up when you shake them.
I picked up a rock.
Look at all the paw prints, though. Well, hoof prints. This is where the deer come through instead of going over the bridge.
Look at all this stuff.
Yeah, a lot of trash. Hey, look, there's a whole bunch of railroad ties.
They must collect those.
Well, they might. Railroad ties is a big old pile of them.
Oh, this is scary. Do not look
Or
up.
railroad spikes.
Do not look up.
I looked up.
Ah.
Mom, I looked
It's
up.
so scary. Kids, never go under a bridge while you're walking. It's really scary.
Me and Daddy did not think it was scary.
Never go under a bridge.
Oh, we made it across the bridge.
There's a pond right there.
There's a pond right there.
There's a pond over there? I don't know that.
Mama, I think this is where Thomas used to play.
No, there was a pond behind the houses on the other side of the
Oh,
creek.
it's green.
It,
Stagnant.
Why?
He's a walk.
There might be alligators.
Ew! It farted.
nice.
I can make a big one.
Snickers is like, what the heck?
Don't you remember that video that we watched where they say, island poop?
What's wrong, Thomas? Look at Thomas. He's like, what are you doing?
And Snickers like, what happened? What's happening here? Ew, water. Poop. Mama, look what I found.
Oh, you found another one.
I found a huge.
Lunk.
I wish we brought the box. It's cold.
No, it's not cold.
I wish we brought the box.
Careful.
I know.
I don't think they do coal on this track.
Almost have two.
Where did Snickers go? Oh, he's down there. Okay, I think everybody's done throwing rocks. Don't run with the spike in your hand. Okay. Alright, we're good. I just got bit by a mosquito.
What?
First time this year. Yeah, we don't take anything that we find out here.
Except for rocks.
So, well, rocks. So let's see what's in it. And then we'll turn around and head back the other way because the sun's going down.
And I
Where's
was
the cow? There's the cow.
see? I want to take some.
No.
No, why don't you put that spike in there?
Why?
Because it's cool. Alright, nope, Thomas, we're going back this way.
Alright, come on, Snickers.
Alright, let's head back home.
Snickers, you're a pretty cool cat.
He is a pretty cool cat.
Yeah, he always follows us.
We gotta take you hiking adventures with us.
Yeah, he'd do it too.
Yep, even camping. Hey, see my initials. My initials are inside the trap. Yeah, see? LB. Well, my initials.
Let's go get it. Careful, if he's in the water, you cannot throw anything. He's like, I really want to go swimming. No swimming, huh, for you? Was it cold?
But how about Flicker?
Snickers is not going to go swimming, trust me.
No. Oh, he's catching up.
There's geese.
I hear geese. There they are.
Look, there's one.
That's the noisy one. would be 8. To take a break, that would be 8.
The little one stopped to brush his teeth in the other one.
How is that?
Wait, okay, so now I'm not sure. I'm not sure. He is still marching down right now. The little one stops to brush his teeth in the other marching down to the ground, get out of the rain. They ain't still marching one by one. Wait.
You starting all over again?
No, the ain't still marching 7 by 7. The little one stops.
To pray to heaven.
No,
There you go.
no.
There you go.
The little one stops to throw a
What are you
rock.
doing, Tom?
How is a little one stops to throw a rock rhyme with 7? What does that mean?
The little one stops to pray to heaven.
Smashing your head.
There you go. I'm squishing your head.
The little one
I'm
stops
squishing.
to...
Squishing your head. Squishing. Oh, Thomas wants his head squished.
Look.
Squishing Thomas's head.
I'm squishing your head.
Oh.
They're still marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. They're still marching 8 by 8, hurrah, hurrah. They're still marching 8 by 8. The little one stops to say goodnight.
Okay. Lily has an issue with rhyming.
Something about that, you don't get a rap.
Bedtime.
Hey, why don't you sing that song again?
We will chilly with a bastard ate my way and like it all. And then my face all over the place. Cause we will rock ya.
Good job. Sing Ghostbusters.
Da 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 Ghostbusters. It's such a strange neighborhood. Hear the call. Ghostbusters. It's such a weird. They don't look good. Hear the call. Ghostbusters.
So awesome, dude. Wow. Wow.
We're home.
Not yet.
But that's the bag me and Daddy were throwing rocks at.
Yeah, we still got 2 miles to walk.
We're going to walk until the morning.
Alright. Think about getting dark in the woods.
Okay. So I get dark to go.
In the dark, dark woods.
We're going to get lost when it gets more dark.
Oh, the big bear comes.
Ooh, a bear.
You know what I would do.
What would you do?
Make noise and fight that.
Really? Where would you punch it?
I'll throw rocks at it.
A bear.
Yeah, when I distract it, you'll throw rocks at it. Wait, while you distract it, I'll punch it and stuff.
I'll shoot him. I'll shoot him over here.
Yeah, you guys all talk big unless there was one right there on the tracks. Then all you go running, screaming the other way like a bunch of little sissies.
Yeah. That's my freak out.
Where did Snake? Oh, okay, there he is.
I would drop this and I would actually run for my life.
You would actually run for your life? Are you serious?
I would actually run.
Would you smell, Thomas? Oh, there is a train light down there. Oh, no, that was a car.
Yeah, we're home, guys.
Yay! Oh, ow, just rolled my ankle. Right there, we got to find the pear tree so we can climb through the pear tree.
Snickers, where you at? Come show us the way home.
Snickers!
He's like, there's water. I'm going to go play.
Not time for playing. You can play with me in the morning.
All right. Is that the pear trees down here? Don't worry, he knows where we are.
Did Zoe just hold him?
Who?
Snickers?
Thomas, you're going too far. Pear trees right here. Come on.
Down there.
Come on, Thomas, let's go home. I'm sure your mom and daddy's wondering where you went. Come on. Go ahead. All right. Well, you go ahead. Well, when we get in the house, put your brace back on and put ice on it.
that's not
Watch out for the sticker trees. You don't know what's living in that hole. Aw, what happened to the pear tree? I didn't notice that when we came through the first time. There's no leaves and very few blooms. Did you get stuck? I mean, last year we didn't get any pears at all off of it. Well, we're home.